Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I have an official name for my Power Wheels build. It's going to be the stimulus build because I'm going to build it with the little stimulus check we got. You have to forgive the camera. We got a light right up here and it's creating because my screen protector thing has a crack in it, so it's got like this really weird shimmer in it. So yeah, I'm gonna dub this thing. Look at that. That is really weird. I'm gonna dub this thing the stimulus build. And right here, we happen to have a package that we got in the mail from BMI Carts. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of what we got in the mail. I think you guys are gonna be pretty excited. And if you're not, well, I don't care, because I'm excited. We'll do the standard key opening. So along with this package, should have one more coming in 2 days. And we'll be about halfway through all the items needed for the build. I think I might have to get an actual knife. Yeah, I think I might have to get an actual knife. Because this thing is pretty well done. Should just grab my box cutter, but of course I didn't. I was just like, I'll just pop it on open. I might still do. Oh, I'm weak. Struggling. Alright. Got the invoice. Got the Merry Christmas, God We Trust little thing. Packing. Grab this first thing. Oh, and there is our 1-inch keyed axle. And it is an offset axle. So the key's on this side, and the key's on this side. So when you have like torque applied to the brake or to the sprocket, it actually offsets each other. Reflection and all that. That's the right word. What do we got next? Bolt. That's going to be for guessing you guys probably know what's coming. Here we got our 3-hole flange kit. For our axle. Steering arms. Those are here. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. We got some more stuff in there. Here we have our lightweight hub adapters. Not hub adapters. These are for the front steering. And they should go right on there like that. All right. This is for the rear wheels. It's for the steering. Thinking this is for the axle kit. I don't know what these are for. No, I know that's for the axle kit. This one I am gonna need. You know what? Just gonna rip it open and show you all. I thought I got a keyway for this. I guess I didn't, or maybe it's in there somewhere. There you go. So this is to mount the tires. 2 of those. Actually, this is actually the locks for that, if I'm not mistaken. It should be. Looks a little too long. Anyways, that's what I got, guys. Got my axle. Got my mounting 3-hole flange kit for the axle. Oh, we're getting there, guys. We are getting there. We are getting there. Boom, boom, boom. That mounts to the axle. Lock key in there. See if I can get it out. Probably not. I think they do it this way. Come on. This one on there. I think I might be able to back this out of my hand. Alright, mount you in there. And that should. Yeah, I need to back those out some more for that. Should slide right on there. There we go. Right on the axle, boom, boom, boom. Mount this to here, boom, boom, boom. And we're good to go, everybody. I tell you what, guys, I'm super excited because this thing is about to be built. So what I also got, saw when I very first started the video, is I got my angle, or not my angle, my square tubing over there as well. So we are definitely, oh, got my key. We are definitely on the way to getting this thing framed in. That is some thick key stock, bro. Jesus. Yeah. I think that's about where I'm gonna end this video. Well, not end it. We'll leave it for now until we actually get some more stuff in and we can actually do more with the video. So far it looks like this is going to be a pretty awesome build, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds to unbox whatever else we got. Alright. Pretty sure this I think all of this is for Later, guys. Bye. Bye. What's up, guys? You know, today is the second part of the unboxing. What do we have here? Bum, bum, bum. Just got this in the mail. If you guys know what that box says, then we're good. Gotta excuse the living room. It's a little dirty. Trying to clean up and throw a bunch of old stuff away, along with starting on this stimulus project. See that? It's Duramax, baby. And it's got keys. Shipping seems to be pretty good. Seen a lot of reviews on shipping not being great. Let's see, comes with a couple tools. Spark plug remover. Look at that. Comes with an oil fill. Nice. And here we go. We now have our Duramax 212 electric start. Let's see what kind of angle I got you guys at, so I can talk and whatever else. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. So I went with this motor mainly because I can't find any dirt bike, motorcycle, air-cooled electric start for this project. So this thing is going to go in the Power Wheels, because I can move this electric start and I can actually put it on the dash, mount up a battery and all that. It's pretty much like a Predator or one of those, you know, it's just a standard clone. I can change the air box over, I can change the exhaust over, and it's pretty much just like any other clone. I can get parts for it fairly easy. Easy to work on, lightweight, and you know, I don't have to spend $1,000 on a wrecked motorcycle. And it's got an electric start, so I don't have to try and do a pull cord and out the hood. I can just hit that switch. So this is the end of the unboxing for, as I'm sure you could tell, the upcoming project. So next couple of videos are going to be me mocking stuff up and doing other stuff to the go-kart, upgrading my workshop. But you know, I've gotten a lot of stuff: spindles, hubs, mounts for the axle, yeah, I've gotten in a good bit of stuff for the build. So that should be the upcoming content. Building the Power Wheels slowly but surely as I get a little bit of extra money. Like, this thing is actually happening. Alright guys, appreciate you watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next part of the series. And if you like the video, like what I'm putting out, leave a like, write a comment, any ideas on next project or what I should do different with this one. And I don't think a lot of you guys are subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. I gotta get to 1,000 subscribers. I gotta quit my retail job and be a famous YouTube personality. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye.